there I go. I brought some caribou hides to sleep on. I'm getting old. I need padding. For dinner, I've got moose fajitas. And a moose fajita with a little bit of guacamole. Oh, I'm hungry. It's about 9 p.m. I haven't eaten since breakfast. Oh. I'm gonna sit here and eat some chocolate covered almonds and dry my boots out. Oh. All right, it's time to cuddle up with my buffalo hide. Go to sleep. Probably have to stoke the fire every 3-4 hours, but that's pretty normal. All right, guys, I'll see you in the morning.